Isn't nature amazing? When I was walking down in Kingscliff, look at this beautiful cubby I found, formed in nature. It was formed by all the branches interlocking together. I can imagine bringing my family down here and having a picnic in the shade under the trees. Look, there's even a table and chairs for us. Here is another secret cubby I found. It's been formed by a pandanus tree. If you come inside, you'll see there is an amazing playground to be found under this tree.
Do you remember some of the cubbies that we found and also that we made at Nature Explorers? Let's check out some photos.